Today's quick tip is how to use a Google map to find out which train, which subway you have to take it. Let me show you. So that's how it works. We are over here and we're going all the way up to the trains. And there is beautiful Manhattan that I love it so much. How does it work? It's pretty simple. You just open your Google Maps and find the place that you want to go. Here we go. We're going to this Queensboro Plaza. Now we're going to this one. This one has a elevator. So what does it do? This tells you how to get there. You know? Up here you can find the car, you can find subway, or my favorite one, you can find a bicycle. In this case we're going to get the metro, so that's a recommended route. Just click on it and it tells you oh, there's a lot of things now. It tells you where you are. Okay, we are here, and where I had to walk to, and then it tells me all the trains, how long it's gonna take, if it's on time. It tells you if the train's coming. So I always use this. So cool. So let's go. Let's go walk and cross to get the JFK Terminal 8 red parking. Let's go. That it tells you what's the time that you're gonna arrive there. In this case, 9:25. So it's 9:22, and I don't have to worry, you know, oh, is that the stop, is this the stop? I really like Google Maps. I arrived at the hotel and he was very nice to let me in before check-in time. So now let's check to see if the Brompton is in one piece. But check it out, I love this here. We didn't have this before. See, there's a bike path. Goes all the way. That's cool.